Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your Xiaomi 17. First, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector or a case. Let me tell you why. Basically, whenever your case is covering the bezel, so the dark line between the screen and the sides of the phone, what can simply happen is your phone will register some ghost touches. If it's covering even a tiny part of the screen, it will look like this. You will just tap on random things. And yeah, we definitely do not want it. So if your case is not original, it's covering the bezels going onto the screen, what can happen is also your screen can become less responsive. And for the screen protector, if it's not applied properly, like this, and is going off to the edges of the phone or to the sides, then it can also leave this space not really saved. And it won't save this place either because the screen protector is just not there. You will have ghost touches right here. It will click random things, so we also do not want it. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to clean our screen to remove any debris or moisture, and we're going to use a microfiber cloth for it. So as a little bonus, also we're going to clean the fingerprints. We're going to do that just by swiping, and 3 or 4 swipes is definitely enough. 2 for each side of the phone. And now what you guys can do as a last resort is update your software to fix any touch glitches. So you go over to settings, now tap about phone and tap on the Xiaomi HyperOS. As you guys can see, there are no updates available for me. I am on the latest version, but if you're not, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of the software so you do not struggle with old glitches and you do not have them on your device. So make sure to update from the previous version to the newer one, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.